What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel, Online Certification Course. Here I'm going to go over SEO certification, how you can get certified, how you can acquire this knowledge to start building yourself out, helping other people build these websites so they can rank #1 on Google. Is real simple. So go ahead and check it out. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in. I could personally send you a link to check out. So go ahead and enjoy the tutorial and also enjoy my new intro. SEO Certification Course is a well-researched online course that has been developed for people who would like to master the tools and techniques of search engine optimization. This course will lead to recognized SEO certification, has been designed in a way that even beginners or people new to SEO can understand it with as much ease as seasoned professionals. This course covers a wide range of tools and techniques that are employed by SEO professionals to attract valuable traffic to a website and has been developed keeping in mind the requirements of major search engines. What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Get this certification in hand and start freelancing your service out to people that are looking for someone to help make their website hit the first page of Google. You can start small and eventually be the top pick for new small businesses starting up. In this 14-chapter online course, I will go over some of the chapters and what it consists of. First off, the course will start off with the introduction to search engine optimization, SEO. What the job titles are for, the SEO, what they consist of when it comes to roles and responsibilities such as SEO specialist, SEO strategist, or SEO analyst. You will explore the common myths of learning SEO such as SEO is too hard or too complex. You will learn the evolving search behavior trends, changes versus persistent search intents. Some will say there's other ways to rank in Google besides using SEO techniques, so there will be a chapter as to why SEO will continue to matter, such as GPS applications, voice-enabled searches, and more. Chapter 7 is a good one where they will cover the thought process of SEO, keyword research and why it matters. You will start with the basics and go through the keyword research phases. Popular tools that are being used, you will learn how to set up, use your own Google keyword planner and actually see how certain keywords get the most traction and what don't. You will learn the best practices for optimizing content for your website, plan engagements into content strategies, navigations, keywords, tagging, how to avoid outlaw SEO and the penalties that comes with it. You will learn and understand how to grow site authority and link, understand the ranking factor, how to use the backlink checkers tool as well. You will be given an SEO review checklist, a content and UX review, along with an engagement review as well. As I have mentioned, you could get certified, and once certified, you can start building a career or a specialty in SEO. Chapter 14 will show you how to embrace career evolution as SEO starts to change up and how to adjust with it, how to find your SEO job, how to build experience, and much more. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have a certification page you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that have certification courses you may have an interest in. I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams and I'm out.